Good morning! New week, new vlog. This week is going to be kind of a challenge to vlog because I was scheduled for 4 days of work, which usually does not happen. Usually my max is like 2, sometimes 3, because I obviously prefer to be home creating content and doing that as my job when possible. But I guess it just was a scheduling thing or something. I don't know. They scheduled me for 4 days, which is going to be a huge challenge because I'm also getting ready to travel in July. So I kind of have to pre-record a bunch of content, pre-make some stuff. So just trying to fit that all in along with all my regular content. Yeah, this week is definitely going to be a little bit of a challenge. I'm definitely feeling very stressed out about the amount of stuff I have to get done and the very little amount of time that I have to do it. So just gonna do my best to kind of squeeze everything in best I can. Really just work on my time management. I'm terrible at time management, oh my gosh. So definitely need to pay attention to that. But yeah, just gonna go run a few errands, then head out to work, and that's gonna be my day. Alright guys, sorry it's so loud out here, but literally today is so exciting because I am getting my hair done, which I haven't done in like 4 years. I'm so excited. Sorry I'm wearing a mask, but I'm about to go inside and I'm gonna wear a mask inside, so I already put it on, my makeup's all messed up. But yeah, we're gonna try and get my hair to be as light pink as possible. I'm so excited. I'm finally gonna be the anime protagonist of my dreams. I'm gonna go head over because my appointment is like right now. Just so you guys know, this is not the salon I work at. I know everyone's gonna think that, like they're all gonna ask. No, I'm not gonna vlog. I would never like vlog at the salon that I work at. This is a style set an old co-worker of mine actually recommended, and her hair looks so good. So I'm like, well, if your hair looks amazing, I'm gonna go there. So I'm so excited, and yeah, we're gonna go. My hair is so long. Whoops. Whoops. I grew that. Yes, things are happening. I've not done anything to my hair, like literally since I moved to LA, which was like 4 or 5 years ago. Bleach is going on. I should film it this way, so you can see. Come over and take a thing of me painting it on. You film that. I just love these big foils. I know, wow. What's her around? Yeah.
On her hair before.
Helps soften it.
Yeah, it just observes.
Sometimes I put oil on it or little like.
I mean, spray it on her hair.
Yeah.
Because you don't have to wait it or balayage or stuff.
Very true. So heavy. it's like head's expanding. I'm getting radio signals. Are you getting Wi-Fi in there? Yeah. The red part's like literally just turning pink. That's what we want. It's literally the color that we want already. Pretty funny. The tips are a little yellowish, greenish, but we can neutralize that. Kick that out. Is this the last foil?
Yeah, you just have to film me putting on this foil. You have to. We do it on her phone.
Oh. Yeah. Oh man.
Like a 10 volume is okay?
10?
Like a 10 volume?
10 volume, yeah, and all of legs, please.
Right?
This is such a vibe right now.
Oh my god, you guys, the boyfriend FaceTime. You're like, this is what
A
happened.
little bit red.
I know, I need some of that Aura-based Serene Scalp Serum, but no one has it.
Didn't how my red skin matches my eyes right now. I'm just like full on.
I'm just peachy.
Feeling peachy.
This soothes it.
I mean, it doesn't really like it itches a little bit,
like,
and it doesn't feel like anything.
It's more just like,
It just looks bad.
yeah, this will soothe it.
It all comes back to you, and you're all alone, falling headlong into the inside round. Whoa, it all blackens out and you wake up on the floor, trying to stand up now, but you can't take it more. Is there anyone out there? Anyone? I've tried it all, nothing breaks the fall. Slowly you fall into your arms.
My camera battery died, by the way, but this is how we're looking right now. It's like 10 something p.m. That's why we like don't have our masks on or anything. It's like literally just like us here. But yeah, it's like 10 p.m. My face, like my makeup is like melting off of my face at this point because I've had it on since 7 a.m. I'm just gonna let it sit for a second and we're gonna wash it out. Re-bleach it all!
Rebleach all of it! God. You have something left on your head. I'm excited for everyone to see
My hair is so bleached that you can't even see it. It's just
transparent. Just like little like spider web strands. The whole upgrade. You can just get like a dark hair wig if you want to be natural. You should wear a dark wig and then take it off in front of your mom. Well, bam!
nah. She's gonna
Wear
see
like,
on like
wear like
Insta, though.
a dark bob wig. That would be something.
Alright, I'm back on my phone because I still haven't switched out my camera battery and I have to go to work right now. But today is the next day. Obviously, my camera battery died yesterday, but that's okay because I was being kind of tired and gross anyway by the end of the day. We all were. There were a couple of us left at the salon who, like another girl, was also getting colored hair. So hers was taking quite a long time too, so we wound up leaving quite late. But now I have work today, so I have to go to work like this and see if they recognize me because I don't even know if anyone even knew that I was gonna do this. So, but like whatever, I don't even care. I am so happy. It turned out amazing. I've just been like taking some TikToks and like selfies and stuff, and I just like, I can't stop touching it and like looking at it, and I'm so happy. Like I'm just like blown away by how well it turned out. Literally, like at points yesterday, like we didn't even think it was possible that it was gonna look like this because of how crazy my hair was. If you guys remember, I've been doing crazy things to my hair like all pandemic. I put like blue in it, red in it. So I had all these like crazy color bands in it. And so the fact that we got it this pink and this even is kind of incredible, kind of magic. Like literally, I'm pretty sure my stylist is a witch and has worked magic on my hair because like, how is this possible? Like, how is this real right now? I want to cry. Like, it's just, oh my God, I was so tired last night. So like, I couldn't even like fully like absorb like how amazing this is. And now that it's like the next day and I'm like, I finally like gotten to do my makeup and gotten to like dress up for work and stuff. And I get to go out like this and like go into the world with my amazing pink hair. I'm so excited. I love it so much. I have to go to work. Like, I just want to stay here and like take selfies and make TikToks and be crazy, but I have to go to work. So yeah, I'm really nervous for what they're gonna say at work, but hopefully since I work at a hair salon, they won't care. Other people have colored hair there, so I don't think they'll care, but like, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Back on my camera. Sorry about the air conditioner. It is so hot. Today is July 4th, so happy Independence Day, I don't know, whatever. I'm not really doing anything for 4th of July. I don't really celebrate it. But yeah, the point is, July 4th, it is very hot outside, so I've got the air conditioner on, so it's loud. I'm sorry. Just wanted to kind of come here and end the vlog, show you guys a little hair update. It's been a couple days now. So you can see, it looks a lot pinker, I feel like, on camera. It's like, I mean, it's really pink, but it's like kind of like a lighter pink in real life. But I am so happy with it. I haven't washed it yet, so I don't know what it's gonna look like when I wash it. It's like, it doesn't feel like it needs to be washed yet. The stylist did such a good job like washing it and everything. It doesn't need to be for a while. I thought maybe it'd be a good idea to like answer some questions you might have about like if you want your hair to become this color, like what it takes, everything like that. I think I said on Instagram that it took us 10 hours, but that was just me being tired and doing math wrong. It actually took about 7.5 hours, so not quite as long, but still you have to devote quite a lot of time to it. It's also a lot easier if you have like virgin hair or like hair that hasn't been dyed before. Mine unfortunately had been dyed a lot of times using like direct dyes, which are like basically just like, I just took color, like I would just take blue or whatever and just like put it on my hair to get that like dark color that I had before. And then at one point I did put like red in my roots, which is why you could see like that little stripe of red there. So I had like some banding, I had some like dye, stuff like that. So if you just have like hair that hasn't been dyed before, it will lift better and faster. So you're more likely to get like the result that you want. I do hope someday to go a bit lighter, but I am really happy with this color. It also does cost a lot. Make sure that you have the money to do this before you do it, because it will cost hundreds of dollars and you will have to like upkeep it. So this is kind of a commitment. I'll, you know, have to get my roots redone every like 2 months. So yeah, it's expensive, it's time consuming. Make sure that you can commit to doing something like this. This is something that I have been wanting to do literally for years. So finally it was time for me, and I was finally like felt like I was able to do it. But yeah, just make sure that you're like ready to do it, that, as I said, that you can commit to it, that you can afford it, that you have a job that will allow it, everything like that. If you do have any other questions, feel free to comment them. I'll answer them best as I can. Obviously I'm not a stylist, so I don't really know like everything, but I can at least try and answer your questions. But yeah, I'm so excited to finally have my dream hair. I've just been like doing lots of different like makeup looks and stuff, trying things out, having a lot of fun with it. I just feel like it adds so much color. Obviously, I mean, it's bright pink, but like I've just, with like my dark hair, I felt like it made everything look darker in a way. And like now that it's bright, like it kind of just brightens everything up. It brightens up all my outfits. So I am so excited, and luckily it doesn't blend in with my chair too bad, because I was kind of worried about that. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like my new hair, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do put up a new vlog every single Sunday, except for next Sunday will be a pre-filmed video because I'll be traveling. But I put up a new video every Sunday, so be sure to be subscribed if you're not already. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on my other social medias. I literally have like everything. I've got Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, OnlyFans. Links to everything are in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!